Hello students, good morning and welcome you in this session. Today we are going to learn and introduce beauty of the nature, lush forest, colorful costumes, traditional jewelries, exotic flowers and unique dances as well as music that are in Seven Sisters. What are the Seven Sisters? We are going to see with this yellow page. Hello everyone. Have you guessed who we are? We are the Seven Sisters of Northeast India, still unexplored, isolated territories to most of you and to the rest of the world. Our sister Sikkim lies to the north, but we Seven Sisters are contiguous to each other. We are famous for our natural beauty, lush forests, and wild animals, as well as our colorful costumes, traditional jewelries, exotic flower, and our own unique dance and music. Nature lovers have designated our whole area as one of the world's biodiversity hotspots. Now we will introduce ourselves one by one. First, Arunachal Pradesh. Hi, they call me the land of the rising sun. Where the sun is rising, the land of the dawn lit sun. I am Arunachal Pradesh. My people are simple and hospitable. They belongs to many tribes speaking their own languages. Many languages are there. Their diet is largely made up of rice and fish, meat and many green vegetables. And a most popular dish is momos, steamed buns with meat or vegetable stuffing. How they are fond of like their dishes, it is explained in this paragraph. I am a nature lover's heaven. My land is spotted with monasteries, lush green forest, lakes, waterfalls, and deep river valleys. As you know that you have seen before this many like this area when you went outside for the picnic and for travel. In my limestone caves in the bracket known as Tapenuru and forest reserves, you will find a great variety of wildlife. You can see the wildlife in geography channel and etc etc like that, there is a variety of wildlife. You must make it a point to visit the 400-year-old Buddhist monastery at Tawang and enjoy cultural festivals at Zero. Don't miss Namdapha Tiger Project. You are also welcome to the many wildlife sanctuaries and national parks where you may see rare animals which you could not see before this. You can see the rare animals over there where this mentioned. Birds and plants too. I am also home to India's first orchid sanctuaries. Assam. Friends, I am Assam, also known as Ahom. You will find my land between the beautiful valleys of the Brahmaputra and Barak rivers. They call me the gateway to the Seven Sisters. My people are very hospitable. If you come here, you can enjoy the cuisine. Cuisine means a style or method of cooking, especially as characteristics of particular country, region or establishment, which has its own distinctive aromas and flavors. I am known for my artistic heritage, exotic dance, that is dance forms, and elegant temples. The rivers ensure that many territories to lush and fertile, with wetlands, orchards, tea estate, and scenic forest and parks. Kaziranga National Park and Manas National Park are World Heritage Sites, and for that, foreigners outside of India's people also visit to Kaziranga National Park and Manas National Park every time. My picture squeeze landscape. Picture squeeze landscape means visually attractive landscape of golden green rice field and national scape. Tea estate is awesome to behold. And you know, Assam tea is a world famous. Every can say that tea is from an India, that is from Assam. The Brahmaputra is Assam's lifeline. Why it is called Assam's lifeline? Because of it is flow from Assam, nearby the Assam, and it's developed the Assam's area. The land is also rich in petroleum, natural gas, coal, limestone, and other minor minerals. My hand woven silks are exquisite. Exquisite means extremely, that is a beautiful and typically delicate, with a natural color and designs. They say our women weaves fairy tales on their looms. Assam silk fabric, eri, muga, and pad are the most sought after silk in the world of fashion. I am known as the land of fairs and festivals. The major festival of Assam is Bihu, and it is very famous because of they have enjoyed celebrate it very nicely. World knows that, India knows that. Cane and bamboo are the inspirable parts of my life. As souvenirs, you can take the jappi, in the bracket you can say traditional sunshade and masks. Don't forget to visit the Ohom places, that is Assam places. Tomorrow or the next in the next period we can see the next two sisters, Meghalaya and Manipur. Thank you very much.